Most gardeners spend their time fussing over leaves, flowers, and watering. But what if the real magic is happening beneath your feet? Imagine a simple, affordable trick that strengthens roots, nourishes soil naturally, and even helps your plants stay hydrated longer, all without expensive fertilizers or backbreaking work. This isn't a complicated technique. It's the kind of gardening wisdom older generations swore by, and it's easy enough for anyone to try. Today, we'll uncover the hidden method that quietly supercharges your garden from below the surface. You may have heard of composting, but have you ever considered a compost tunnel? It's a simple, safe, and surprisingly powerful gardening method that works quietly beneath the soil. Essentially, a compost tunnel is a narrow trench or small pit where everyday kitchen scraps, like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, eggshells, and leaves, are buried to break down slowly over time. As these scraps decompose, they release nutrients directly into the soil, creating a rich, fertile environment for your plants. This isn't a new invention. It's a forgotten technique that gardeners of past generations relied on. Many of our grandparents and great-grandparents knew that burying scraps near growing plants not only saved money, but also encouraged stronger roots, healthier soil, and even better water retention. The beauty of a compost tunnel is that it's gentle, low effort, and works naturally with the rhythms of your garden. Over weeks, the buried scraps feed soil microbes and earthworms, gradually improving soil structure and moisture levels. Plants grow sturdier, roots reach deeper, and the garden becomes more resilient, all without chemical fertilizers or complicated equipment. For older gardeners, it's especially appealing. It's easy on the back, simple to set up, and frugal, turning waste into nourishment for your garden. In short, a compost tunnel is a quiet, unassuming hero beneath the surface, patiently working to make your garden thrive while letting you enjoy gardening the way it was always meant to be: natural, satisfying, and rewarding. For many older gardeners, the thought of bending, digging, and lifting heavy bags of fertilizer can turn a relaxing hobby into a tiring chore. That's why the compost tunnel method has such enduring appeal. At its heart, it's a gentle, low-effort approach that transforms everyday kitchen scraps into a steady source of nourishment for plants, all without straining the back or joints. Instead of hauling fertilizer or repeatedly tending to heavy compost bins, seniors can set up a simple trench, cover it, and let nature quietly do the work. Beyond ease, this method is incredibly frugal. Every peel, eggshell, coffee ground, and leaf becomes part of the garden's life cycle, turning what might have been waste into rich nutrients. Older gardeners often appreciate the satisfaction of making the most of what they already have, and the compost tunnel delivers this in a way that feels both practical and meaningful. There's something deeply nostalgic about it too. Many remember seeing their parents or grandparents bury scraps in the garden, knowing the soil would reward them later. By bringing this tradition back, gardeners not only save money but reconnect with a rhythm of gardening that is slower, thoughtful, and grounded in wisdom. The benefits go beyond finances and effort. Compost tunnels naturally retain soil moisture, which is especially helpful during hot summers when watering can feel like a constant battle. The buried scraps encourage soil microbes and earthworms to thrive, improving soil structure and aeration. This means plants grow healthier with stronger roots and sturdier stems, giving older gardeners a sense of pride and accomplishment without extra labor. Watching flowers bloom or vegetables thrive thanks to your quiet, behind-the-scenes work is deeply satisfying, almost like nurturing a living secret beneath the surface of the garden. Emotionally, the method is reassuring. It reminds seniors that gardening doesn't need to be complicated, expensive, or physically punishing. It's about working smarter, not harder, and enjoying the results at a pace that suits the body and the heart. The compost tunnel embodies patience, resourcefulness, and the kind of quiet reward that resonates strongly with older adults. Every season, as soil darkens and plants flourish, it reinforces the value of simple, thoughtful care, a lesson both practical and profound. Ultimately, older gardeners love this method because it honors their experience, respects their bodies, and turns everyday life into meaningful gardening practice. It's simple, frugal, gentle, and effective, a method that doesn't just grow plants, but also nurtures a sense of connection, tradition, and fulfillment. For anyone seeking a way to garden with less effort, more wisdom, and a touch of nostalgia, the compost tunnel is a quiet hero waiting beneath the soil. Step by step, how to make a compost tunnel. Creating a compost tunnel may sound technical, but it's actually one of the simplest ways to naturally feed your garden. Follow these easy, senior-friendly steps, and you'll see your plants thrive without heavy lifting or costly fertilizers. Step 1. Choose a location. Start by selecting a spot that's convenient and safe to work in. The ideal place is between rows of plants or along garden pathways, somewhere. Your plants can benefit but won't be disturbed. Avoid placing the trench too close to delicate roots or newly planted seedlings, as you don't want to risk damaging them. The beauty of a compost tunnel is that it works quietly underground, so pick a spot that can remain undisturbed while still providing nutrients to nearby plants. Step 2. Dig a shallow trench. Next, dig a trench about 4 to 6 inches deep, shallow enough for easy work, but deep enough to hold scraps safely. Using lightweight tools or a small hand shovel helps prevent strain on the back and joints. Seniors can manage this easily, and the shallow depth means less bending and effort. The trench doesn't need to be long. Even a short tunnel along a few plants can make a noticeable difference. Step 3. Add the right scraps. Now it's time to fill your trench with nutrient-rich scraps. Safe items include fruit and vegetable peels. Use tea bags, paper only. Coffee grounds. Crushed eggshells. Leaves and grass clippings. Important, avoid meat, dairy, oils, or pet waste, as these can attract pests and create unpleasant odors. Layer the scraps gently, keeping the trench tidy. Each piece you add is slowly transformed by microbes and earthworms into plant food. A quiet, natural process that strengthens soil and nourishes roots. Step 4. Cover the scraps. Once your trench is filled, cover it with soil to protect the compost from animals and help it break down naturally. Over the next several weeks, the buried scraps will decompose, feeding the soil gradually. This slow-release process ensures that your plants receive nutrients steadily, improving growth, moisture retention, and soil health without additional effort. Step 5. Plant near it. Finally, plant your seeds, seedlings, or existing plants near the trench. Roots are naturally drawn to nutrient-rich areas, so your plants will grow stronger stems, healthier leaves, and more robust root systems. Over time, the soil structure improves, moisture is retained longer, and the garden becomes more resilient, all thanks to a simple trench that quietly works beneath the surface. By following these steps, older gardeners can enjoy frugal, gentle, and effective gardening. It's a method that honors traditional wisdom, saves money, and rewards patience. With minimal effort, you're turning everyday kitchen scraps into a powerful tool for soil enrichment and plant growth, a subtle, behind-the-scenes hero for your garden. When you bury kitchen scraps in a compost tunnel, something remarkable happens, quietly, naturally, and beneath the surface. While it may look like simple soil at first glance, your garden is transforming into a thriving ecosystem that nourishes your plants in a slow, steady, and sustainable way. The process begins as the buried scraps gently release nutrients into the soil. Fruit peels, vegetable trimmings, coffee grounds, and eggshells are full of essential minerals like potassium, nitrogen, and calcium. As they decompose, these nutrients become available for plant roots to absorb, unlike chemical fertilizers, which can overwhelm plants or leach away quickly. A compost tunnel provides a slow-release feeding system, keeping the soil enriched over several weeks. Next, the decomposing matter encourages soil microbes to flourish. Tiny organisms like bacteria and fungi break down the organic matter into simpler compounds that plants can use. This microbial activity improves soil structure, creating tiny channels that allow air and water to move freely. Healthy microbes also help protect plants from certain diseases by maintaining a balanced soil ecosystem, a quiet but vital form of plant support. As the tunnel matures, earthworms are naturally attracted to the rich soil. Their tunneling aerates the ground, allowing roots to grow more deeply and access water and nutrients more easily. Earthworms also help mix the decomposed scraps evenly into the soil, turning your compost tunnel into a self-regulating nutrient system. Their presence is a sign that the soil is alive, healthy, and ready to support strong plant growth. The overall result is a garden that feeds itself in stages. Plants gradually absorb nutrients without the shock of sudden fertilizer application. Soil moisture is retained longer because decomposed organic matter acts like a sponge, slowly releasing water to roots as needed. Over time, the garden develops stronger roots, sturdier stems, and richer, more flavorful leaves and vegetables, all from a simple, natural process happening beneath your feet. For older gardeners, this method is especially rewarding. It's low effort, safe, and deeply satisfying, allowing you to witness tangible results without heavy work or expensive inputs. Each season, your soil becomes healthier, more resilient, and more capable of sustaining life. The compost tunnel is more than just a trench. It's a quiet, invisible helper that improves the soil ecosystem, reduces garden maintenance, and encourages a harmonious connection between gardener, soil, and plant. In essence, the compost tunnel teaches patience, frugality, and the value of letting nature do its work. It's a simple, sustainable way to nurture the soil, strengthen plants, and enjoy the tangible rewards of gardening without relying on chemicals or excessive labor. Many older gardeners have fond memories of their childhood gardens, moments filled with curiosity, hands in the soil, and the quiet satisfaction of watching plants grow. One memory that often comes to mind is the simple trick their grandparents used: burying kitchen scraps in the backyard. Fruit peels, eggshells, coffee grounds, and leafy bits weren't thrown away. They were carefully tucked into the earth beside vegetables and flowers. At the time, it seemed ordinary, almost mundane. But over the seasons, the results were unmistakable. Tomatoes that tasted sweeter, greens that were crisp and vibrant, and flowers that bloomed fuller than neighbors' gardens. I remember visiting my grandmother's garden on hot summer afternoons. She would kneel gently by the raised beds, using her small trowel to bury potato peels or old carrot tops. "The soil eats it up and feeds the plants," she would say with a knowing smile. I didn't understand all the science back then, but I could see the results. There was a rhythm to her gardening, patient, steady, and deeply respectful of nature. Every harvest felt richer, more rewarding, and somehow infused with love. That simple act of burying scraps became a quiet, magical ritual, connecting the work of our hands with the growth of life itself. What makes this memory so special for many seniors today is how effortlessly it worked. It wasn't complicated, expensive, or exhausting. The method honored the body, using shallow trenches and minimal tools, making it accessible for older gardeners who wanted to care for their plants without straining their backs. And yet, the garden thrived. It was a gentle reminder that sometimes the old ways still work best. Wisdom passed down through generations, quietly proving itself season after season. There's also a deep emotional layer here. Gardening with this method isn't just about the vegetables or flowers. It's about connection to the soil, to the rhythm of the seasons, and to the people who came before us. When seniors bury scraps in their own gardens today, they aren't just feeding plants. They're participating in a living tradition, one that links past and present. It evokes memories of family, home, and the satisfaction of doing something meaningful with your own hands. For anyone watching, this story is a gentle encouragement. You don't need high-tech tools, fancy fertilizers, or complicated techniques. Sometimes the quiet, patient methods of our grandparents are all we need to grow thriving gardens. The compost tunnel is more than a gardening tip. It's a bridge to the wisdom of the past, a way to honor tradition while enjoying practical, tangible benefits today. By remembering these old tricks, older gardeners can experience that same sense of satisfaction, seeing their gardens flourish just as those before them did, season after season. Variations for small spaces and raised beds. Gardening doesn't have to be limited by space or physical ability. Even if you have a small patio, balcony, or raised bed garden, the benefits of a compost tunnel can still be yours. For seniors with limited mobility, adapting this age-old method is not only possible, it can be simple, gentle, and deeply satisfying. One of the easiest adaptations is the mini compost tunnel in containers. Instead of digging a trench in the ground, use a large planter, pot, or even a long rectangular container. Layer your kitchen scraps, fruit and vegetable peels, coffee grounds, crushed eggshells, leaves. At the bottom, cover them with soil, and let nature do the rest. Over time, roots from your herbs, tomatoes, or flowers will reach into the nutrient-rich layer, thriving without heavy bending or digging. Even a small container can make a noticeable difference in plant growth and soil health. Another approach is small vertical trenches in raised beds. Rather than digging long horizontal trenches, create narrow vertical pockets in the soil alongside plants. Fill these with safe compostables, cover them, and watch the roots gravitate toward the nutrients. This method works beautifully in raised beds, where seniors can tend to plants comfortably while sitting or standing. Using a narrow hand shovel or trowel instead of a full-sized spade makes the process even easier, reducing strain on the back and joints. Raised beds also offer the added benefit of better control over soil quality and moisture. A mini compost tunnel here enhances the soil's natural ability to retain water, making watering less frequent and more effective, a relief during hot summer days. Older gardeners can create several small tunnels in one bed, spacing them carefully around plants to provide slow release nutrients while keeping the work gentle and manageable. The key is to adapt, simplify, and enjoy the process. Seniors often find that smaller-scale compost tunnels are just as effective as traditional ones, and sometimes even more rewarding because they are easy to monitor and adjust. There's also a sense of empowerment in knowing that even with limited space or mobility, you can nurture thriving plants and healthy soil. Every scrap you bury becomes part of a quiet, natural rhythm that improves your garden over time, rewarding patience with growth, flavor, and beauty. Emotionally, this method connects gardeners with the same tradition their grandparents practiced, but in a way that respects their bodies and space. It's a gentle reminder that gardening is about ingenuity and resourcefulness, as much as effort. Whether you're tending a raised bed, a balcony container, or a small patio garden, the compost tunnel adapts to you, making it possible to enjoy the frugal, satisfying, and effective gardening that has delighted generations. Safety and practical tips for seniors. Gardening should always be enjoyable, not exhausting or risky, especially for older adults. When creating a compost tunnel, wear gloves to protect your hands from sharp objects, soil bacteria, or small debris. Avoid overfilling the trench. Too much organic matter can attract pests or create unpleasant odors. If you plan to bury scraps near sensitive plants, skip strong citrus peels or spicy peppers, which can irritate roots. Use lightweight tools whenever possible, like small hand trowels or narrow shovels, to reduce strain on your back, knees, and joints. By following these simple precautions, composting becomes a safe, comfortable, and rewarding activity that anyone can enjoy. Ask a question. Now, let's hear from you. Gardening is full of wisdom passed down through generations. Share your experiences in the comments. Have you ever buried kitchen scraps in your garden? Do you remember any gardening tricks your parents or grandparents used? Older gardeners love sharing stories, and your memories could inspire others to try these simple, natural techniques. Commenting also helps you connect with a like-minded community who values frugality, resourcefulness, and the joy of growing things from the ground up. At its core, the compost tunnel is more than a gardening trick. It's a lesson in frugality, wisdom, and resourcefulness. It reminds us that gardening doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Sometimes the things we throw away, potato peels, coffee grounds, eggshells, still have one more season of life left in them. By embracing this method, seniors can enjoy the satisfaction of nurturing plants, reconnecting with traditions, and seeing tangible results from their care. Gardening becomes not just an activity, but a celebration of patience, simplicity, and quiet ingenuity. If this video helped you, give it a like and share it with someone who loves gardening, so they too can benefit from these simple techniques. Don't forget to subscribe to the Evergreen Seniors, where growing never grows old. Together, we'll explore more practical, safe, and deeply satisfying ways to nurture gardens, honor tradition, and enjoy the timeless joy of watching life flourish from the soil beneath our feet. Remember, the magic is often quiet, hidden just beneath the surface, waiting for your care and attention.